Hey everybody, Brian from Feather Snap. Just giving you guys a really quick, bird feeder filling tip. So instead of having to take down the feeders and get out the bags of feed and try to make sure that everything gets into the feeder that you want, I go pick up these really handy 3-in-1 seed bins from my local seed store or Tractor Supply feed store, whatever it is. These things are by More Birds. They're really great. And we're done.